Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is 10 Finger Signature. I want to share a video with you on how to fix your zipper. And after fixing this is the outer part. I'll show you on how to fix this zipper in a very lovely way. Both the inner part, that is when you fix your zipper, and you also want to make sure the lining is covering it inward like this. And see, it's been covered up. This is our zipper, which I'll be fixing to the bodies. Now that I have my dress being fixed, I've already fixed the lining to the bodice, to the dress. It's a baby dress, so I fixed the neck. But what you do is always make sure by the time this is I used 1 inch for the zipper allowance. My zipper allowance is 1 inch. I'm going to place it this way. This is the right facing of our fabric. This is the right facing. So I have my zipper at the right side here. So I will open it like this. Opening it up, I'll make sure I place the zipper right on the 1 inch allowance, which is this. And I'll make sure I have my dressmaker pin with me. So I'll use my dressmaker pin all through to pin it down on that 1 inch allowance. I'll pin it down. Now, as you can see, I left the lining aside. This is the neck area, so I'm pinning it towards the down part. It's a short dress for a baby girl, so I've stitched where I want the zipper to get. I've stitched it already. So I'll take the zipper all the way around. So this is the other part of the zipper. I'll do the same thing on the other side of the zipper, because this is the neck area. But I made sure that I was supposed to sew to that 1 inch that I called my allowance, but I left 1.5 inch. I didn't close the lining all. I didn't close. I pinned down the other side. I'll zip it up. I'll make sure I zip it up so as to get the point. So now that I got the point of where I fixed the first zipper, I'll do the same thing on the other part. That's from the 1 inch. So now that I have the same point, the same starting point, so I'll start pinning this one down. Now that I've pinned that side down, I'll keep pinning it down on the 1 inch allowance. I'm able to pin it down straight like this. We have the lining open and also being stitched at that point that we finished the other fabric stitching. So we'll go and run stitches on these two. Fabric fixed already. I want to use to cover this and to cover it up. So what I will do is I fix the armhole already. It's an armless dress. So I will go under this armhole, go under this part like this to the zip. bring it out. So I'll have to zip it down so as to pick it on. You see that 1.5 that we left. Now we are going to, we need to sew it back. We need to sew it. This is the 1.5 allowance that we left. I want to sew it on the zipper. And now I have my lining kissing my, don't mind this lining. It's behaving funny. So I'll just pin it down all through the same way. This is where the lining stops. Where the lining stops. So that's where I'm pinning it to. That's where the zipper stops to. Beside the sewing of our zipper, we make sure we don't sew on the lines of our zipper. We sew just beside, right. Inside of it like this, and bring it out. Even the edges of the lining has gone in. The right side of the lining is facing the right side of the fabric. That's at the neck area. We secure the 1.5 allowance with the zipper. Cut out the zipper that is not deep from there. Now that we have the neck part, the neck area secured, pinning your work down makes it more faster. You know, some people think pinning it down wastes time. And also, I'm doing this video for my birthday, so I'd like you to please subscribe. I can't be tired. Please subscribe for me. Do subscribe. This is a birthday gift for me. Subscribe and like, share it to your loved ones. You know, you might have a friend or a younger sister, the older one, that feels some tips like this. With the video, you can help out. So like this, we are right there for a lot of people. So you can share the video, like and share the video. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll always love to see you here. And if you have anything, any video you think, or probably any topic that you think you love me to share with you, so I'll just give it a good ironing. You can see as our zipper area, it looks very neat and very beautiful. So both the outer part is neat and the inner part is neat and well laid. So thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.